it has been brought to my attention that people don't understand what my real accent is. They're like, which one is it? And you know what, yeah? I don't know. English is not my first language, so I don't have to be loyal to a certain accent in it. But guess what? I learned English at the age of 15. My first English teacher, he was Indian. A little bit of Indian accent. Coming, not coming. Too much. My next English teacher, Arabic. My best friend at the time, Lebanese. And me, I like the Lebanese accent كتير حلو بس يعني it's not always coming out. And then my next group of friends, Nigerian. What's the meaning of all this? I don't know. And of course, I have my Slavic accent. Sometimes little bit much, sometimes little bit less, you know? Oh, and the American one? Don't even ask me where the American one is coming from. That just happened. Blame YouTube and Eminem because that's how I learn English. I don't have an accent. I don't have to stick to one. And I have ADHD.